Watch this, guys. I got myself a pet heron. I know you're not supposed to feed them, but a hut? What's up? What's up? What's up, buddy? How you doing? Mm-hmm. Let's see if I'll take one out of my finger. Let's see if I'll do it. Here you go. Up. Boom. I know you're not supposed to do this, but hooking the guy, give him a little treat, shrimp. Oh, spoiled boy. All right, that's your snack. His daily snack. Spoiled little guy. Beautiful. I love this bird. I know it's the same one too, because he's the only one that will jump down and get it. Okay. Later on, Sammy.